Mark Anthony Synagoga, a graduate of Humber College's comedy program, is selling out crowds in his hometown of Richmond Hill. He's the one to blame for all the laughs going down in the York region as of late.
FunnyMan Inc. is a Canadian comedy brand I've developed after graduating from Humber College to really raise the bar for comedy as a whole.
Synagoga then handpicks his comedians to perform on this monthly showcase of talent.
How's it going, guys? One more time, give it up for everyone you've seen on the show.
Because there's no really, there's no like training grounds for us besides whatever the comedians do for it. Like if a comedian decides to open up their own show, then that's just another one. You know, there's no big professional comedians have really taken the time to start a chain or to start something else to really give other comedians a place to work their stuff out and know what it's all about. We were kind of just thrown into the business.
The Richmond Hill Center for Performing Arts is a venue many comedians don't get the opportunity to take advantage of, which is why Mark Anthony finds himself quite lucky.
He looked like me, but he's your height. He's small, short, you know what I mean? But lot of aspiration. I'm like, why are you yelling at him?
Having an army of volunteers also adds to his luck.
Well, Mark's a childhood friend, and I have strong beliefs in his ethics and responsibility that he puts towards the business. Well, basically, we've done all sorts of advertising, from print media to social media to just word of mouth. Lately, it's been just word of mouth, and it's gotten very popular within Richmond Hill.
Hope that it's just like another big Canadian comedy hub, to be honest with you, like another Yuck Yucks, another Just for Laughs, but better, hopefully. You know, that's my goal anyways, to make it different in a positive way. You know, I don't want Canadians to have to go to the States every time just to get big in comedy, you know.
For more information on these upcoming shows, visit funnyman.ca or follow him on Twitter at FunnyMan Inc. Shakiyl Cox, Guelph Humber News.